I'm back, you guys, and I want to talk to you guys about something. Actually, I want to address one thing real quick, and this is something I've been getting from Daryl for like a while. Now, you guys might not know who Daryl is, but Daryl is a very loyal fan. He's been here since like maybe day 2 of my channel, and he's been subscribing to like not just my YouTube, but he's been following me on Facebook, and he also subscribes to me on Patreon. I really like this guy. He's pretty smart. We have nice conversation. I think I talked to him one time on the phone. He's pretty dope. Now, he asked me a lot of questions, and there's one particular question that he asked me that I really feel like I needed to make a video on, which is how to actually use my t-shirt template and how to actually manipulate it. Now, that's something that I didn't really talk to you guys about the last time. I kind of did show you guys smart objects and how to fix this stuff out, and I do tell you guys how to actually make mock-ups and stuff like that, but I never really tell you guys how to use mock-ups. And it's not that hard to use anything like that, but if I don't really specify what is what and I don't tell you guys exactly what is what, then you guys don't really understand it. Now, on my Patreon account, I uploaded this Design by Humans mock-up template. I think it was like a pack of mock-ups that you guys can just download. It has models on it and it has t-shirts on it, okay? But I really didn't explain it and show you guys actually how to use this, and it's kind of out there in the dark. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are confused exactly on how to use this, so I'm gonna go into Photoshop and I want to talk to you guys about it and at least showing you guys some of the ropes and what you guys can do just to make sure you guys aren't messing up. So I'm gonna get into Photoshop and I want to talk to you guys from there. Okay, so what I need to do here is explain some things, and it's really simple if you guys know exactly what's going on, but I think I kind of messed up somewhere with this, and I just want to explain the layers panel real quick. So over here we have change design globally. All right, what you want to do is double click inside of this image, and that will change all of everything that's here. Everywhere that has this design will get changed, okay? So double clicking inside of this will bring up this missing profile dialog. Just hit OK, okay? You don't even have to switch anything up unless you want to put this on RGB, Adobe RGB 1998. You can, but if you don't really care, like people don't really care about, just go ahead and hit OK. Now with this, you can put in any of your designs here. So let's just say I don't really want this design. I could just turn this off, open up a new layer, and then drop something inside of this layer. So now that I have my graphic inside of here, all I have to do is hit Command S or just go to File and Save, and then close out this layer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the X here. And as you can see, the model is wearing now the design. Okay, great. Now let's just say we don't want to use this model. So we go into where I have this model mockups, and we could just turn off whatever model we don't want to use and just go from there. So let's just say we want to use this guy here. We want to use this shirt because he's wearing a t-shirt, right? And with that, I want to change the color of his t-shirts. What I would do is I would go into the model, hit the drop down, and I'm presented with 4 layers, right? So the first layer is the available color layer. If I turn that off, that selection goes away. That doesn't have to be there. But if you guys want to make sure that you're using the same colors that Design by Humans have, then you want to keep that up for a sec. We can also go into the shirt color right here, which is another drop down. Just hit that drop down and you're presented with a photo filter 5 and a shirt layer cut out. So what I want to do is I want to change the color of this shirt. So I'm going to click on the photo filter. Except if I click on the box, nothing happens. If I click twice on this camera though, I'm actually selecting the photo filter. And what's going to happen is the properties of this photo filter is going to drop down over here, which is going to allow me to change the actual color. So I can click on the color and I can move around in the color space to pick out any color that I want to use. As you can see, it's affecting this guy's shirt. So let's just say I want to put like maybe this brown, this red burgundy right here. Maybe I want to use like a blue or something like that. Or maybe I want to use the available colors down here that is available for this shirt on Design by Humans. So I'm probably going to use maybe what? This white that I was already using, or maybe this green. Maybe you want to use this gray right here. That looks pretty good there. So I could just go ahead and hit OK, close up the shirt color, and then turn off the color availability. I think this looks good enough to be exported for Instagram. Okay, so maybe I don't want to use a model, okay? Maybe I just want to use the t-shirt mockups. Like, I just want to see a t-shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the model mockup layer. And this is what we're left with, right? Now, down here in the t-shirt mockup folder in the layers panel, there are different t-shirts here. So if I turn off this one and I turn on maybe this crew neck right here, we get a crew neck. If I turn off the crew neck and I turn on the woman's perfect t-shirt, this is what we get. And if I turn off that and I turn on another related t-shirt, this is what we get, right? I want to use the actual regular t-shirt. And then dropping that down, I can also change its color as well. Now for my taste, I really don't like the lighting, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off the lighting to get something a little bit like this, but that's optional. So remember that the lighting is optional. You can turn it on or you can turn it off. It's really up to you. I just want to let everybody know that this is a free download and it's on my Patreon account. That doesn't mean that you guys have to sign up for Patreon to use this one. It's there for everybody. So go ahead and get that. It's free and you can use this on your projects, especially if you guys are using Design by Humans. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I want to say thank you to everybody, not just Daryl, because Daryl's pretty cool, but I want to say thank you to everybody because you guys are powering me. You guys make sure that I'm doing my job and I'm not falling off on you guys, because the thing is, if it wasn't for you guys, I probably would just quit. I'm just gonna keep it real. I probably would just quit. I would just continue to do the things that I like to do for myself, but I like answering questions. I like giving things to you guys. I like seeing you guys have your successes and stuff like that. I like seeing you guys develop designs and stuff like that, which is the reason why I created mock-up packs. It's because I wanted to see you guys take the designs from my vector packs and then put them on like mock-ups and stuff like that. You can see what your designs look like on t-shirts, and it's a good feeling to actually share those resources with you guys. Me being a resource as a graphic designer is way better than me being a photographer. Way better than me just being my own graphic designer. Way better than me working at a job for somebody who doesn't even care about what the stuff that I do. You guys actually care about it, and I think that's really good. I want to make sure that you guys are well equipped and you guys can actually use that stuff in your shop, and you can employ people to use these things and stuff like that, and it's just gonna grow for you as time goes along. So with that being said, I want to just list out, and you're just gonna see a list going up and down from here or whatnot, of just people who are just awesome. Just people who are just doing some cool things. Patreon subscribers who are just amazing. I want to say thank you to all of you guys, and I hope you guys will stay with me as I go forward with this channel. But with that being said, I have to get up out of here. So stay amazing, stay creative, but above all else, stay awesome.